it's Cookie. Now we are playing Rolling Thunder, the part 2. You saw I play Rolling Thunder. This is the part 2, guys. Let's see. Today is my goal to get 30 kills. If I don't get, I want to do one punishment. Okay. This game realistic like the last time I played. Okay, let's go. Why am I slow, bro? Why am I slow? Let's go. Why am I slow? Why the game is glitching? I don't know. Yes. End of the round, I don't get 30 kills. I'm doing one punishment. After this video. Why am I going so slow, bro? Go teamwork. Woo. Grenade and come. Let's explode. Okay, come on. Another problem. I was charging that 24 kills. I want ammo. Now come. Where are they? Let's go. Okay, come on.